Hey, it's Liz from No Trace. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you 6 gifts to sew for the dancer in your life. So let's go. The first is a small zippered pouch for a bun kit. If your dancer has long hair, they probably have to pull their hair back in a bun on a regular basis. Both of my girls are dancers and they each have a little bag that holds their bobby pins, rubber bands, and their bun net. I have a super simple tutorial that walks you through how to make this really cute little zipper pouch. I'm going to link to that tutorial right here. If you want to make a larger zipper pouch that would also hold a hairbrush, I have another tutorial that walks you through a larger pouch with box corners. So I'm going to link to that tutorial right here. The second gift idea for the dancer in your life is a mesh bag for their dance shoes. So my daughter just started on point shoes this year, and when we bought her point shoes, they recommended that she store them in a mesh bag, which we purchased at the store. I have a tutorial that shows you how to make the same thing using all natural materials, and I'm also going to put a link below this video that shows you where you can get this all natural mesh. It's 100% hemp, so it's washable, reusable, and fully compostable at the end of its life. It's totally plastic free, which can be kind of hard to find, so I'll put a link below this video if you want to snag some of this fabric. And again, I'll have the tutorial linked that shows you how to make this super simple bag. This is great to let those shoes air out in between dance classes, and also helps your kiddo keep their dance shoes together so they don't get lost in their bedroom. The third gift to sew for the dancer in your life is a tote bag. A bag to hold their dance clothes, dance shoes, bun kit, you name it. And I have 3 different tutorials that show you how to make 3 different kinds of tote bags. One shows you how to make the absolute world's simplest tote bag. So if you're a beginner, this is a really great beginner project. I'm going to link to that video right here. If you're a little bit more confident and you want a slightly more challenging project, I have another tutorial that shows you how to make a tote bag that comes with 4 pockets. This is definitely beginner friendly, and it's just a step up from the world's easiest tote bag. So I'm going to link to that video for this bag right here. And finally, if you want to make the dancer in your life a bag with a zipper, of course, I have a tutorial for that too. So I made a zippered tote bag. This is upcycled from a pair of pants, but you could definitely follow all the same steps with any other fabric, and the zipper closure will help keep the dancer's clothes from bouncing around in the car or at the dance studio or wherever you have to go. And if you're a more advanced sewer and you want to make a full duffel bag for the dancer in your life, that is a really great version of a dance bag as well. I don't personally have a tutorial for you, unfortunately, but I'm sure you could find some really great duffel bag tutorials on YouTube. Fourth gift, and possibly the easiest gift to sew for the dancer in your life, is a scrunchie. I, of course, have a tutorial that shows you how to make a scrunchie, and also another one on how to make a giant scrunchie. So I'm going to link to those videos right here. Check them out. This is a really great beginner-friendly project. All right, gift number 5 to sew for the dancer in your life is a stretchy headband. This is really great if the dancer in your life has shorter hair and they need a little help pulling their bangs or short hair out of their face during dance class. And of course, you know I have a tutorial on how to make a stretchy headband. I'll link to that tutorial right here. And I made it using scraps from old leggings, but you could definitely use any stretchy fabric that you have. It doesn't have to be upcycled from old pants. And the 6th thing to sew for the dancer in your life is leg warmers. These are really nice for the winter time to keep the dancer's legs warm. I don't have a tutorial, but I know there are some really fun tutorials here on YouTube. So I would definitely search for a leg warmer tutorial if you want to make a pair of those for the dancer. Those are my 6 ideas of what to make for the dancer in your life. And I'm gonna link to a playlist right here that has all of those tutorials that I mentioned in this video. So if you wanna get started, go ahead and check it out.